Welcome to this DelftStack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to fix the Minecraft exit code -1 error. This error usually happens because of incompatible mods, outdated Java, incorrect game settings, or corrupted game files. First, just go ahead and restart Minecraft and your computer because temporary glitches can sometimes trigger this error. Now remove any recently installed mods or shader or resources. Just go to Options and go to Resources Pack, and from here, make sure you delete recently installed mods, shader, and resources pack. And once that you have done that, just go ahead and test your game once again. Incompatible mods are one of the most common causes of exit code -1. Also, make sure your Minecraft version matches the version required by your mods. For example, mods made for one version of Minecraft may not work correctly on another version. Now, install the latest version of Java. Just go to any browser to your liking and just go ahead and search for Java and go to Java Oracle. And from here, just click on Download Java for Desktop and make sure it is updated to the latest version. Outdated Java files can often cause launch error and crashes. Then just go ahead and update both your Minecraft. So just search for Minecraft and go to the official website and make sure the Minecraft is updated to the latest version. Also, search for Minecraft Launcher and click on the official website. And from here, make sure Minecraft Launcher is also updated to the latest version. And if the issue still continues, just completely reinstall Minecraft to replace corrupted files. The simple rule is mods or Java issue usually causes exit code -1, and updating Java while using compatible mods fixes it in most cases, and that's it. We just learned how to fix Minecraft exit code -1 error by removing incompatible mod, updating Java matching Minecraft version, and reinstalling the game if needed. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the next DelftStack tutorial video.